Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create time freeze video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and I'm going to choose a video based because we want to edit video, and click on save, and then you can add a video you want to edit using VN Video Editor. For me, I'm just going to add this video. Okay, and we can click on next to import this video to our project. And for example guys, I'm going to freeze this part, so I'm going to take screenshot of this video. I'm gonna click on a screenshot. Alright, and now the screenshot has been taken, and we're going to add the screenshot to this project. So we can click on PIP and then select photos, and I'm going to select the photos. Okay, this one guys, and I'm going to crop it, but wait, I'm going to extend the duration. Okay, we can go to the crop menu. Oops, sorry. We can select crop here, and then for example, I'm just going to crop this part. Oops, sorry guys. We can select the photo and then select crop, and I'm going to choose this one, this ratio, and I'm going to select this part. Okay, click on the check mark, and then I'm going to make it bigger. We can zoom in to fit the screen like this. Oops, okay. And I'm going to go to the mask option. We can go to the mask and then select the linear mask. And I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and click on the check mark. And I'm going to show you the result. As you can see that this part has been frozen. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay. Wait, I'm going to adjust the mask again. Okay, like this guys. Okay. Oops, sorry. It looks worst. Okay, just go back to this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create time freeze video editing on VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.